Hey Tanglers, welcome back to part 2 of this black tile series. And can I just say, you folks have the best taste in tangles. I asked which 2 final patterns should complete this moody masterpiece, and wow, you delivered. Viewer's choice, Noom and Nzeppel. A big thank you to subscriber Minnie V.E. for suggesting Noom and Nzeppel. With Noom, it was love at first loop. Thanks, Minnie V.E. You nailed it. Want to see how this whole piece started? The link to part 1 is at the end of this video. Go check it out next. New, a tangle pattern created by Zentangle headquarters. And it's now a new fave. And it's starring in its own video later this week. And of course, here's the tangle pattern Nzeppel. It's a classic, also one of my go-to tangles. It's the perfect way to close out this tile.
the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.